Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to activate and use Steam Game Recording. First, open your Steam app. Next, log into your account using your username and password. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Then click the Game Recording tab to access recording settings. Choose your preferred recording mode: background recording to capture gameplay automatically, or manual recording using hotkeys. You can also disable recording by selecting the Off option. Set your maximum disk space for recordings, and choose a folder location with enough storage. Adjust audio capture settings and configure shortcut keys for easier control. Once you're done, close the Settings tab and start your game. Recording will now work based on your selected mode, and that is it. You have just activated Steam Game Recording and are ready to capture your gameplay. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.